So I just got the Diesel Laptops 14-day free trial of the Texa truck kit. I just unboxed it, and this is really neat. Really neat notebook. Very very sturdy. It's got all these. It's got an HDMI port, a landline, USB. This thing just looks tough. It's got the neat Diesel Laptops deal on there. Not sure what this stuff is on the side, but I'm very excited to be trying this out for 14 days. Hopefully be able to purchase one soon, but just wanted to show you what it looks like. Panasonic Toughbook. It's really neat, really sturdy. This thing looks really awesome. And then they also sent me the hardware adapters kit. So I'm really excited to give it a try. I'll take some videos. Some of the trucks I get to plug into. I'm going to probably plug into some Max Forces, and I'll probably try to plug into this Peterbilt that I have out here with a Caterpillar engine, just to try this out, see what it all does, and I'll be posting those videos. But I just wanted to give a quick review of the Diesel Laptops Texa truck kit. Really excited to be trying this out, and really thankful for this trial just to try it out. So that's really neat that they did that. Not sure how long it's going to be going on for, but I'll be updating you with the trucks that I plug into. That's all.